Hey guys, this is Dan with Synaptic doing a quick demonstration of Youreka. Again, it's just reviewing some quick account information with me. And we noted already that we have an end cap display in place. We've got a stacked basket display in place, and maybe that is now in poor shape and needs replacement. And we can also note any other displays, same concept. We're clicking add down. We pop in another end cap display that we're aware of. We can put in our installation date for that was on the 1st, and we've got projected revenue of 6,000, and it's in great shape because it's new and at the end of coffee aisle. All right, so at this point when we're done with auditing all of our displays and adding any of our new ones, Youreka is going to help us out a little bit with some guided sales. So if we ask, are there any opportunities to add a display to an in-store cafe? So again, we're a coffee roaster in this scenario, so the in-store cafe is some prime real estate for us. If I say no, it lets me move on, but in the event that I say yes, it's going to ask me which of these displays would work best. Well, maybe we'll talk about the floor basket display. And when we do that, it's actually going to bring up a picture of that display and some selling points around these displays. How big they are, how much they generally hold, how often they produce. And then we can go down and start to capture store manager feedback and display feedback. Looks interesting. And now we can start to capture from information about, has the store manager expressed concerns with sales of any of the following products? And in the event that they tell us, hey, we're worried about whole bean sales, Youreka is coming to the rescue and saying, hey, why don't we cross-sell them our conical burr grinders and pour-over filters, which there's a long story around the fact that those things help produce whole bean coffee sales. In the event that I've got the store manager excited about the new display and these new products, Youreka is actually going to let me go through and capture that individual signature while I'm in the store so that we can begin to process this order moving forward. In the event that you've got questions about Youreka, you can find our website at youreka.io. You can also reach us via phone or email. And if you go to our website, there's a chat function on there. So lots of different ways to get in touch with us. Look forward to hearing from you, and thanks very much for your time.